Hello everyone, so today I'm in front of the camera again, woo! So we're going to be unboxing this, which is the pink parcel, which I haven't done an unboxing of in a long time. I got some more ink, yes I got a goalie, and I got an M here from my brother, I don't know if you can see. There's the M for my brother, and I got the Dean Ambrose symbol as well. So, yeah, I got tattoos. And that's what I mentioned in the last video. But, yes, let's have a look. Apparently they are working on making this box better, because it did kind of go into just being a beauty box, essentially. But I think now they're trying to make it more, you know, stuff to make you feel better when you don't feel so great. So, yes, here it is. The box is a lot more compact than it used to be. It used to be like quite long. Still sealed. So, done. Put that over there. So yeah. So, you have your little pouch in here. You have another box, and then these are your little bitty goodies in here. So, what have we got? Yeah, like the past couple of months of this I thought is kind of like a little bit boring, and I've just like, the box is still down there, I've like literally looked at it and not done anything with it. So let's have a look at what we've got in here. So we have a cocoa brownie by the Squirrel Sisters. Interesting. No added sugar, gluten-free, raw, vegan. Treat your health. 82 calories in that, so that's pretty good. Put that over there. We have a Phase Zero eyeshadow. Ooh, that's very shiny. It's a champagne-y kind of colour. It's very nice. But I think I already have the shade. What else have we got? Oh, we have another one of these. The amazing microfiber cloth. This is one of the things where you just put water on it and it like removes all your makeup. Like, I took one of these to Belfast in case I couldn't find any makeup removal wipes, because I wasn't putting them in my case because, you know, limited amount of water that you can take. So yeah. This, you literally just wet it. Oh, I just thrown it on the floor. You literally just wet it and wipe your makeup off, and it's amazing. Put that over there. We have a Leon's, I never know how to pronounce this. Lyons, freshly ground coffee in a bag. Rich and full-bodied. Number 3. So that's pretty good. Then we have what's in it for me. Body cleanser, so that is very good. I have a smell. Is it open? No, I've got one of those little things in there. Open. I just want to smell what you smell like. I just literally just a little bubble went on there, and then I sniffed the bubble. So, that's really nice. Like, I don't know, orangey, kind of orangey, citrusy kind of smell. Very nice. So we'll be using that. Then we have a Skin Chemist London Rose Quartz Youth Defence Lip Plump. I think I might have got one of these in another box at some point, and I really liked it. Like, I used it all the time. Let me see if it is the same. Oh my god, it is. So yeah, it's this thing, and I absolutely loved it when I got it last time. I like used the entire thing, and yeah, it's just, it works really nice. It plumps your lips nicely, and you know, it's a really nice lip gloss. I don't think it's like sticky or anything like that. And then the last thing we have is a Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. I'm generally not a fan of facial oils because I find it makes your skin feel not very nice, but I will give this a go. So it's a little pipette thing. So yeah, that's pretty funky. I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna take my makeup off and I'm gonna give it a go after this video. So yeah, that is the pink parcel for this month. I do think it's getting better. You know, this kind of stuff can be classed as like a beauty kind of thing, but like it's all about pampering yourself when it's the worst time of the month. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, thank you so much again for everybody who left a comment on my last video. I'm going to try and get into making videos more often and have more confidence to make the videos and stuff. I don't know. But anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like and leave a comment and all that good stuff. I don't know what this was. No. Anyway, bye!